Alright, second plate of the day. Tactic drone view on the back. FMS V2 64mm f-16. First flight. Landed, I broke the nose cone. So we'll fly it with a broken nose cone today. I'll order a new one tonight. 4500 all the way to the back in it. Seems to CG out right. 4S UME power. I think 100C. Seems okay, we're gonna find out. I don't know. Seems to have a little bit more oomph. Seems to be flying alright on it. So 4500. A little more nose heavy. It's going alright. Yeah. Alright. So you can run 6S in this too. I was worried about the weight. I think a 2200 6S would weigh about the same as that. I just gotta work on my landings before I put the new nose cone on it. Slows down nice. Yeah, we got the tactic drone view on the back. Beautiful clouds today. A little fast pass with the wind. A little rock in there. Yeah, gyro there. Reach over here, turn my gyro down just a touch. I have the gains on the roller knob. 0.3, I got it set up on. It's very nimble. Big jet over that way. Oh yeah, that's a high alpha. Bleed some speed off. But canopy popped again. Second time the canopy popped off. So it can be flown on a 4500 4S. Take a peeky peek, and you can see what I'm talking about. It's shoved all the way back on the shelf. Works great. Those day brights are awesome. That's it. Yeah, see the battery? 4500. I'll pull it out and show you that using an adapter. Still recording. Yay! So I'll unplug that in a second. Let's pull this out. Okay, it was a 4500 UME. Right to the very back, right up to that edge. Ooh, okay, I even bent the edge a bit. With this, seems to fly great. All right, thanks for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, and all that good stuff. Ciao for now.